I see. Kyrus was never here. I fear we were manipulated, drawn to Typhon to slay these Eldar. But to what purpose?
Bravo. Bravo, Diomedes. As always, my greatest champion.
Kyrus, where are you? Show yourself!
I am well removed from Typhon, and so needed a puppet there to stop the Eldar and their wretched ritual. It has kept the Ordo Malleus fleet from emerging from the warp. With the Xenos slain, the Exterminatus can commence.
You desire the Exterminatus?
My dear Apollo, long have I orchestrated the slaughter of the subsector, all in Khorne's name. It is too late for Typhon, but it isn't too late for you, Apollo. I have beguiled you to this juncture, but I have spoken one truth. You are the greatest warrior the Blood Ravens has ever seen. Join me in Khorne's service. Kill these creatures of Angelos that you have surrounded yourself with. Become the slaughterer I know you to be.
Master Kyrus, thank you. You have shown me the truth that I was unable to see. Centuries of service a lie. I do not know what I am anymore, but I know this. I am no traitor. I would rather die.
Pity. No matter. The death you desire is but a moment away.
We have arrived, and it is now that we perform our charge. In fealty of the God Emperor, our undying Lord, and by the grace of the Golden Throne, I declare Exterminatus upon the Imperial world of Typhon Primaris. I hereby sign the death warrant of an entire world, and consign 1 million souls to oblivion. May Imperial justice account in all balance. The Emperor protects.
We have no choice. Must withdraw.
It must be magnificent to see a planet writhe and scream, to feel it convulse beneath your own feet, witness it dying with living eyes. In time, perhaps I may share this gift with every last living soul in the galaxy. Until then...
my move. On my way.
Be vigilant.
Beginning my move.
What is this? You lowly vermin truly think to escape? Ungrateful scum, squandering Lord Kyrus' gift of a glorious death! Pay your penance in blood! Blood for the blood god! Skulls for the skull throne!
I am on the way. I hear you. Go ahead.
Additional requisition is required.
Target eliminated.
Prepare assault cannon.
Now, next target.
Rest not, there are still targets to engage.
This one did not venture up.
It is human nature to seek culpability in a time of tragedy. It is a sign of strength to cry out against fate, rather than to bow one's head and succumb. Inevitably, many shall fault the hands upon the sword which felled Typhon, the Ordo Malleus. But the Inquisition merely performs the duty of its office. To further fear them is redundant. To hate them, heretical. Those more sensible will place responsibility with those who forced the hands of the Inquisition. With some fortune, they may foster this hatred into purpose, and further rule their own fate by coming to the Emperor's service. Yet ultimately, it was I who set these events into motion, with a single blow from my hammer, God Splitter.